Hello students, today we discuss about principles of inheritance, that continuation, another subtopic, chromosomal theory of inheritance. Then, who is the scientist explained about chromosomal theory? That is Sutton and Baveri. They proposed who experimentally proved chromosomal theory. That is T.H. Morgan. What about chromosomal theory? Each chromosome, it contains genes. So the genes, a specific location present on chromosome. These genes transmit from generation to generation along with the chromosomes. The gene which is located on chromosome, that is linked gene. The gene which one can that crossing over recombination, that is recombinant gene. That means parental as well as recombinant. Here chromosome act as important role, distinct role in each and every individual related to formation of gametes. Every gamete present one chromosome. It acts as very important role. Here, formation of gametes, also there is a movement of chromosomes during meiotic cell division. Here, already last class we discussed about law of segregation, how the haploid cells, haploid chromosomes, which transfer. According to law of segregation, two paired chromosomes in meiotic cell division, it formed haploid one. Here, these are in G1 stage, the two paired chromosomes. In G2 stage, then meiosis, anaphase. In anaphase 1, then these chromosomes, that distribution, the chromosomes, segregation of chromosomes, here segregation of chromosomes. Then in anaphase 2, meiosis 2, segregation of chromatids. Here segregation of chromosomes, that is homologous chromosomes. Here segregation of chromatids. Segregation of chromatids. This is segregation of chromatids. cells are formed. Up to here, this is diploid. Here, 2n equal to 4 if it is. Then formation of germ cells, that is haploid cells. This is one haploid cell. Here, n equal to 2. That is haploid. Here, segregation of gametes, formation of gametes from diploid chromosomes to the haploid one. This is law of segregation. Similarly, law of independent assortment. In independent assortment, here the crossing over takes place. In this directly, one can set two paired chromosomes, that means two paired phenotypic characters. Here consider in this one the shape of the seed, then color of the seed. Here the color of the seed, the similar genes located on the chromosome. Shape of the seed, different homologous chromosomes are present. So, here if you observe, in anaphase 1 directly, in anaphase 1, meiosis. This is yellow color. The yellow color, another one, the green color, the shape, that is the color of the seed. This is shape, round, wrinkled. This is one possibility. Another possibility, possibility 2, here remember carefully, these yellow, green are present on one homologous chromosome, but round, wrinkled, different homologous. Here is present, here vice versa. Differently it will be present. This is anaphase 1. It is also anaphase 1 in meiosis. This is possibility 1. This is possibility 2 and 1. Here, then it segregate in anaphase 2. If you observe anaphase 2, segregation of chromatids, the same. In anaphase 2, similarly, then you mention, then you think what type of gametes which one can form here. Here, in this possibility, that yellow round, here green wrinkled, here yellow wrinkled, then green round, that possibility gametes are formed. Here possibility gametes like this, yellow round, like this. You must write all these one. Similarly, it will form. Here, independently, segregation of paired characters separated, paired characters over another one. Here, the color of the seed present one particular homologous. Then rest of this one, it will be present different homologous. It is present. In this chromosomal theory, it is very important for transmission of generation from one generation to another generation, parental to young ones. Along with the chromosome, genes also transfer. Then here another important subtopic, that is linkage. Who discovered linkage? The scientist Sutton Baveri only discovered. Then who proved that linkage theory? Morgan. Who coined the word as linkage? That is also Morgan scientist. Based on this linkage theory, linkage explanation and all, that proved, in that experimentally proved, that's why he got Nobel Prize in 1933. He discovered this one in 1910. In which plant he discovered related to animal instead of the plant. That Mendel did not explain about linkage, but he explained about linkage on animal, that is Drosophila. He has taken this particular fly, the commonly we called as fruit fly. That's why fly man, or the father of experimental genetics, Morgan. The fly man related to this experiment, that is T.H. Morgan. In this linkage, why he has taken only on fruit fly? It is available on easily ripening of banana, grapes, such type of these fruits. Then the size of the Drosophila 2 millimeter. Then it lifespan which one can hatching of the eggs. Hatching of the eggs within 2 weeks. That it distinctly identified sexual determination, sexual heteromorphism. That means identify easily. That is sex linked also easily one can identify. Sex determination, it takes place. That means female XX, male XY. Male XY chromosomes are present. Morphologically, elongated wings as well as shorter wings that related to that particular aspects one can identify. Then polytene chromosomes, the larval stage of Drosophila, polytene chromosomes are present. These polytene chromosomes helpful to identify different particular disorders, different disease affected on that particular fly and all. So different diseases one can identify, different abnormalities of that fly because of polytene chromosomes which present in larval stage of fruit fly. So all these facilities available, new breeds easily one can identify, maximum number, all these possibilities, then he has taken this one. Then what is done by linkage? Genes located on chromosome, that is we called as linkage chromosome. Linkage chromosome, that means a specific gene, one specific chromosome, that is linked chromosomes. Then some of these genes, the genes for morphological or somatic characters, genes for somatic characters on sex chromosome, that is sex linked genes. Somatic character on chromosome, that is sex-linked genes. But the genes, the characters which influence on that somatic characters in that sense somatic, characters which influence of the genes, we called as the sex-linked inheritance. So, sex-linked inheritance, sex genes or sex-linked or chromosomal linked, all are related to the primarily one can explain about that Morgan scientist in the Drosophila, apart from different types of the organisms also different scientists, but primarily one can explain it this Morgan scientist. Then in this linkage one, who is the scientist proposed chromosomal theory of linkage along with Morgan, that Castle scientist in 1911, chromosomal theory of linkage, that is Morgan and Castle. Then who are the scientists explained the percentage of recombination? The percentage of recombination, that is Morgan and Sturtevant. Percentile of linkage, that is Morgan and. So these scientists explained about the percentage, how much percentage that recombinant genes are present. That is 1% is equivalent to the 1 centimorgan. 1% that is equal to 1 centimorgan. 1%. Suppose 10% of recombinant, that is 10 decimorgan. These are units and all. Suppose 100%. Imagine what is the possibility if it comes. You think along with this one. 1% is 1 centimorgan. 10% is 10 decimorgan. If it is 100, only morgan. That percentage and all. Then this linked one, linkage, where it is present very stronger linkage, where it is present very weaker one, which factors influence on linked genes. Normally the sex, the either female or male under, are related to age factor, related to temperature, or related to radiation. These particular factors normally one can influence on linked one. So more probably these linked groups are present in X, that means sex linked one, that is X linked. But normally one can affected, these linked normally present on recessive, but more affected on male rather than female. In this one, they have given particular characteristic features related to this one. Then what about linked, that is linked groups, that genomic groups and all. Linked genome. What is meant by linked genome? So more genes present on particular chromosome, maximum. So multiple number of genes present on specific same chromosome, that is linked genome. But this linked genome influence the size of chromosome, the age. Maximum it influence on size of chromosome. Smaller size chromosome, smaller linked genome. It depends upon size of chromosome. Smaller size of chromosome, for example in human being, which is the smaller size of chromosome, Y chromosome. For example, in human, Y chromosome it is present 231 genes. It is a smaller linked genome. Then, if it is in human, that first chromosome, it will be present 2968 genes. So it is longer. It is this human Y chromosome related to smaller genome, smaller linked genome. This is a longer linked genome because of it depends upon size of chromosome. That means arranged maximum or minimum arrangement of this one. What is the total linked genomes present in human being? 23 linked genomes. What is the total linked genomes present in Drosophila? 4. What is the linked genomes present in pea plant? 7. What is the number of linked genomes present in Neurospora? 7. In E. coli, only 1. In fungi, it will be present Eukaryote, only 2. So, like that, number of genes present on chromosome depends upon the linked genomes it is present. Then, this arrangement, what is the arrangement of linked genes? Arrangement. Arrangement of linked gene. Here once or twice, remember carefully what is meant by linked one. Unable to recombination, unable to replication. It must be stable. So multiple traits present in one chromosome. So less desirable traits. That means less new formation of traits. Very less because of less recombination. That means it must be stable and transfer from parents to young ones without recombination. That is the types it is present, either pure, either it is complete or incomplete, it will come under. So arrangement of linked genes, whether it will be present cis arrangement or trans arrangement. Cis arrangement, either dominant or recessive. If it is present in one chromosome, that is cis arrangement. Then if it is present different, one dominant or recessive present on chromosome, that is a trans arrangement. In this gene, if it is present either dominant or recessive, if it is present. So the distance of the gene, that is also most important, the strength of the linkage. Then trans, one dominant, one recessive. One dominant and one recessive. Reversely, it will be present. So that is hetero chromosomes related to the transposition. That means homologous chromosome, either dominant or recessive, separately it will be present. It is a couplet one. Coupletly it will be present, related to cis and all. Couplet arrangement. Then how many types of linked genes? How many types of linked genes are present? The types, normally 2 types present. That is complete as well as incomplete one. Types of linked. That is one. That complete linked genes as well as the second one, incomplete. Incompletely. Complete linked genes very rarely present. Incomplete linked genes frequently, commonly present for almost all organisms. So complete linked genes rarely present in male Drosophila. Normally it is identified in Morgan. This incomplete linkage, it is identified both Morgan as well as that certain Baveri, and Bridges also incomplete linked gene and Drosophila identified Morgan. Then other than that one, then apart from this one, Bridges, one among his student, that is Bridges also identified this one. In this complete linked gene, example, they have taken that eye color of this Drosophila. Here, no recombinant. No recombination takes place. Then eye color of Drosophila, that is if it is complete linked genes, that is red color, then normal sized wing and all. Red color eye, normal winged. Then purple color and vestigial. Here, on the basis of a recessive character, they have taken here. Normally red color of Drosophila, W plus, that is the wild type. Whatever, if it is a recessive character P, then whatever capital letter that automatically dominate is present. This is white, that is a purple color, then vestigial wing. Vestigial wing, that is the male and this is the female. Then possibility of the gametes, it will be formed. These are gametes are formed. In F1 generation, all F1 generated organisms, it is present red color eye and normal wing. All are red color eye and normal winged are present. In F2 generation, if you observe F2 generation, this one, in F2 generation, that is, it will be present 3:1. Even though if it is a dihybrid cross, if it is pure, that is incomplete linkage, that one can consider F2 generation 3:1. Then related to these particular aspects, test cross. Come on, guess it. What is the test cross? If it is present here, F1 progeny, capital P, capital V, small p, small v. Then it crosses with the recessive parent, small p and small v. So here 1:1. Here it is present without recombination. There is no possibility of. So here in this one, among all these one, exam point of view, remember all progeny, all young ones are parental related young ones, parental related progeny. All are. There is no recombinant one, parental one, whether it is red color, normal wing, whether it is a purple color, vestigial. All are related to parental one. No one here may not be applicable due to absence of recombination. It may not present a recombinant gene. For easy understanding, you know about that is the capital A and B and small a B. Then, if it is formed while formation in that law of segregation and all, that is common. Like this, gametes are formed. There is no new formation. There is no new. All are parental one. It is example of this one. But in the same example related to incomplete. If we observe incomplete genes, incomplete linkage under same example, if it is the parental one, these are the gametes. Then in F1 progeny, if it is present, same. Here also, all F1 progeny, if it is incomplete linkage, that means recombination takes place or crossing over takes place here. In this F1, here also all are red color eyed and normal winged. It is present. In F1 progeny, all are red color eyed and normal winged. In incomplete linkage, the red color eye normal winged, then it came in F1 hybrid, all are red color eye as well as normal winged. In this, if it cross with that recessive progeny, recessive parent, then here what is the possibility of gametes are present like capital P, capital V, as well as capital P, small v, small p, capital V, small p, small. These are possible gametes in that F1. F1, all F1 organisms are red color eye and normal winged. If it is crossed with recessive parent, small p, small b, that means related to test cross, then what is the possibility organisms? What is the possibility organisms? That is capital P and small p, capital V, as well as small v. Then related to capital P, small p, small p, small v. Here, this one, small p, capital V. Here, this is a red colored eye as well as normal wing. Red color eye, normal wing, 9, as well as red color as well as related to vestigial winged dog. That is the 1%. In this, related to purple color eye as well as normal winged, 1%. Here, purple color eye and vestigial wing, that is the 8. That means 9:1:1:8. So instead of 1:1:1, actually it will present, this is instead of dihybrid test cross, that is the original test cross 1:1:1:1. Instead of this one, here it came because of incomplete linkage. Then similarly related to plants, if you are observing, related to plant, blue color as well as elongated that blue color flower as well as elongated pollen, it cross with red color and round pollen grains. These are the parents. In these parents, then the possible gametes. These are the possible gametes in F1 hybrid. In F1 hybrid, all are blue color flowered as well as related to elongated pollen grains only present. Elongated one. In this, if it cross with that recessive parent, if it cross with the recessive parent, here the possible gametes are these are possible gametes. Then it cross with recessive parent. What is the recessive parent here? That is the red color flower. This is the blue color and longer pollen. This is red color eye, red colored flower as well as round pollen. In this one, it is related to red color flower and round pollen. It is crossed with then the possibility progenes. These are possibility progeny. This is blue color and longer pollen grains. It is blue as well as round pollen. It is related to, it is a red color as well as round pollen. Red color and round pollen. This is related to this particular possibility. Here, one more. It is, there may be possible capital B and capital L and capital B small l and related to small b capital L, small b. Here, small b capital L as well as small b small l. Like this present, or one can write here small b capital L small l. That means red color and a round pollen. In this is 7:1:1:7. It is variation related to earlier one in that particular Drosophila related to this particular organism, one among this plant. Here 7:1:1:7. This is instead of dihybrid cross, test cross 1:1:1. This is this ratio instead of dihybrid test cross, that is 1:1:1:1. Instead of this one, because of incomplete dominance. So you must carefully identify which one related to law of independent assortment in normal one and which is the complete linkage and which are related to incomplete linkage and all. So carefully you must denote all these things and all. Okay, thank you.